What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to program remote key fobs to a Chevy S10. So in order to do this, we'll need all the key fobs that we want to work for the vehicle. That's going to include any that are already programmed to the vehicle, as they'll need to be reprogrammed during the procedure. So in this case, I have one working key fob and this one is unprogrammed. The other thing we'll need in addition to our key fobs is an ignition key. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and stick my key in the ignition, and we want to make sure that all the doors are closed on the vehicle. Then I'm going to come over here, and on the driver's door, I'm going to press and hold down the unlock button and continue to hold that down until I tell you to release it. So press and hold down the unlock button. Now I'm going to turn the ignition from on to off quickly 2 times. On is as far as you can turn the ignition forward without actually starting the vehicle. So 1, 2, release the unlock button, and at this point you'll hear the door locks click. Sometimes the door locks will actually cycle. Then we're going to grab our first remote and hold down the lock and unlock button on the remote and continue to hold down both those buttons until the door lock cycle. The door lock cycled, indicating this remote's now been programmed. Now I'm going to grab my second remote and do the same thing. Hold down both the lock and unlock button and continue to hold them down until the door lock cycle. This remote's now been programmed. At this point, if you have any additional remotes, you'll repeat that previous step, holding down both the lock and unlock button on the remote until the door lock cycle. Once you're done adding remotes, we can turn the ignition to the on position to exit programming mode. Then I'll turn it off and remove the key, and let's go ahead and test the remotes. This one works. So does this one. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.